After Uttara had darshan of Govindadev, Vajranabha had the third deity of Krishna carved, Sri Gopinath. The Gopinath temple is number 3 on our map. When Uttara came and beheld his extraordinary form, she said, "Yes, his chest is just like Krishna's." He is Krishna as the master of the gopis, and therefore is considered the topmost form of the Lord. First, let us visit the original Gopinath in Jaipur. As with the other main deities, before the time of Lord Chaitanya, Gopinath was hidden to save him from the ravages of the Muslims. Madhu Pandit and his close friend, Paramananda Bhattacharya, both disciples of Sri Gadadhar Pandit of the Panchatattva, were wandering by the Yamuna in the Vamsi Vat area of Vrindavan, and found him in the sand there on the river bank. The description is given, "Thus Sri Madhu Pandit became the servant of Sri Gopinath, whose bodily luster steals away the minds of everyone. Hundreds and thousands of people came running to see him, famed as he is as sweetness personified. When the soothing sweetness and coolness of his charming form entered their hearts through their eyes, they found that the burning fire of material existence, which had previously been burning there, was now extinguished." He is a most charming deity, and on either side of him are deities of Srimati Radharani, the one on our right bigger, and the one on our left smaller. Bhakti Ratnakara describes that when Mother Janava was in Vrindavan, Gopinath appeared to her in a dream and said he felt it was strange that Srimati Radharani should be so much smaller than him, and requested her to provide a larger deity of Radha. Srimati Radharani also appeared in Janava's dream and told her that she agreed with this, and that Janava should not hesitate, but arrange a new deity immediately. She did this, but when the new deity arrived, the devotees became perplexed. The older deity of Srimati Radharani was very beautiful, so what should be done with her? In this way it was decided that both would stay on Gopinath's altar, and this is how we see things arranged today. On his left and right are deities of Srimati Radharani. In the courtyard of the Gopinath temple in Jaipur, on your right as you enter the main darshan area, is a glass case with the kurta hat and some counting beads of Madhu Pandit. Even though hundreds of years have passed since he was present, they're still existing, and one can have a very nice darshan of them. Now we're in the new Gopinath temple in Vrindavan town. The arrangement of deities there is a little unusual. Normally Srimati Radharani is on our right as we look at the altar, but in the Gopinath temple in Vrindavan, Srimati Radharani is on our left, while her younger sister Ananga Manjari is on our right. Out of affection for her little sister, Srimati Radharani allows her to take this most privileged position, so she can render service in the most intimate ways. When the original Gopinath deity was still present in Vrindavan, Mother Janava, the main wife of Lord Nityananda, visited. In Krishna Leela, Janava is a Nanga Manjari, and therefore Janava had a very strong attraction to Gopinath and would visit the temple regularly. It is said that one day, while she was having darshan of Gopinath, when the curtains were closed, she went in behind them. When the curtains were opened again, she was nowhere to be seen. In this way, Mother Janava concluded her pastimes in this world. Behind the Gopinath temple in Vrindavan town is the samadhi of Madhu Pandit.